Hi, this is Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we have the PVC portable poultry pen we could use for any small animal. Today we have a little rabbit here with Liam and Lawson. You can see how this works. You have a nice poultry run with a nice shade area. This could be used for protecting the animals from the elements, the rain, the snow, but primarily it's going to be for the sun. So they don't get that direct sun, their water doesn't get too hot. So if you want to see how we build this, come to the right video. We're going to show you start to finish how to build this design. Before we get too far in this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so more people can see this video and you don't miss any new content. All right, now it's time to assemble this design. We're going to be using these directions here. This is the portable poultry pen. This also can be used for your rabbits or any small livestock you may have. Let's get into it. You can find these plans at www.circoinnovations.com. Start off, we're going to have one of our arches here. This whole design is in green. You can get it in white if you would like. This section here, which is 35 7/8 pipe, this is a slip T. It goes on the end here, and that will start us off. You're just going to continue that process. Get another slip T. Throw one of your arches through. This slip T is a special product created by Circo Innovations here. You cannot find this anywhere else, and it's a great design because you do not have to make as many cuts as the traditional T. Now that we've finished the rough assembly of the hoops, we're going to go for that lower section. We're going to be using 6 of the 5-ways. You can pull those out, 2 of these crosses, and 2 more of the slip T's. And then we're going to be using a lot of our long sections. We'll get started into that. Okay, this portion here we're using the cross instead of a 5-way because this is going to be a straightaway on the design. All right, we'll use our last 5-ways on this end here. Now you're going to take these long sections, the A's, place a slip T on each one. You're going to come over, tie in with these 5-ways, like so. All right, we'll throw one of these in the middle. Let's go get the rubber hammer, get everything placed nice and tight. All right, now that we've placed our 8 sections that are cut to 11 7/8 all along the bottom here, we're going to work on the bottom frame, the lower frame. So we're going to go ahead and do that and move this over a little bit. The fittings you will need for the next section are 4 of the 3-ways and 4 of the 4-ways. And we'll be using a bunch of the sections of PVC pipe. Let's do it. All right, we're taking in the sections that are cut to 35 7/8. We're just going to be hooking them in all the way around. All right, 3-ways on the ends here. I need 2 sections in the middle. I like to work from one side that has already been attached, work my way out so you don't have to bind. All right, we'll put it over the top here and you're almost finished. Let's line all those holes up. Okay. All right, next you're gonna have 4 of the caps. Go ahead and put those in all the handle sections here. All right, next you're gonna use the screw gun to secure down all of the joints. You're gonna wanna look straight down after you've done all these sections. Make sure they're all nice and straight. And last thing, you're gonna do this upper rail because this is the most sensitive to anything below it being off kilter. Okay, all of our pipe and fittings are together and they're fully seated. This thing is much more strong. You can just see the difference now. You can flip this around, place it, pick it up. It's not going anywhere, solid. All right, next thing we're gonna be using here is the multi-purpose netting. This is the 48 by 50 foot. You could buy anything, obviously a different material. We're just using this for this build today. So let's go ahead and throw it on. All right, we've come to this section now. We're gonna be using the snap clamps. These are 1-inch snap clamps, item number 13. They're in the green. Obviously we can get this in other colors. But what you're gonna do now is you're going to roll out and secure one whole side and then flip it up on this side and secure it down. We'll be trimming it as we go. The way the snap clamps works is you have your material, you have your PVC pipe, get it to the length you would like, snap it on. When you want to take it off, it comes right off. All right, so these sections where they overlap, you can use the screws whenever you can to line it up. But if you have some sagging in this inside on the overlap, you could cut it off if you'd like, or what we're gonna do is just use a zip tie, or we can use electrical tape, and you're basically just shoring it up. After you get where you want, cut off your excess. I personally think the sections where you used electrical tape or maybe U-clips, those work better, but you can use zip ties. Okay, we've used those snap clamps, everything's secured. You could leave it like this. You could throw a board on that flat piece, that double layer there, and you could leave it like this, or you could put a shade cover. We cut a piece of sheet metal. I want to put it on. All right, we got Larsen here to give us a hand. All right. I want to put it on with you guys. All right, push, push. Larsen's gonna help me push it over here. All right, now push it up and let go. Good job. So this is one of your options. You could just have it right here. We're gonna line it up with this rib here and screw it on just like that, giving nice shade and some protection from the elements, the snow, the rain, some of that wind. So let us know what you did and send us a comment or a couple pictures to our website. Nice. Okay. Yeah, go get the rabbit. All right, so we got our rabbit here. We can put some water in here. It'd be shaded by this piece of tin metal.
Yeah, and we can pet him.
Yep. In another video, we're gonna put a flat piece up here so he has a spot with a little ladder. And it's gonna be great.
So we can climb up here.
So we can climb up here. So let us know if you like this video. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can see more. We're also gonna have this for chickens and it's gonna be great. Thanks for watching.
And rabbits.
And rabbits.
And ears can come up. I think winter years come up.
Yep.